Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your background color in Affinity. So this is the background, guys. And if you want to change the color of it, or it's also called a page, or it's also called artboard, right? So whichever term you want to use, it's whatever it is, right? Well, how do you change the color? It's super easy. It's by default white, and you can easily change this page color. In order to do that, you want to ensure that you look to the left hand side and you click on the artboard tool. This is going to select it. And then once you select the artboard tool, click on insert artboard here, and it's going to insert it for you. Now, and you can see it on the right hand side as well that the artboard is there. Now, to change the color, click on pixel right here. And this is going to now give you the option where you can change the color. So here, for me, I just like to click on this color right here and just select. For example, it will show you maybe colors. You can click to swatch it and you can just select individual colors that you want. And that's it. So you can easily go ahead and change the background color of your page, artboard, or your document. Very easy and very simple, guys.